So I'm gonna introduce my Instagram editing app. So let's begin. First one is Square Ready, and it crops your photo. So instead of only having a square, you get a full photo when you upload a photo on Instagram. I think most people know that. And this is Motive, and you can do frames and filters and reflections on this app, and I really like it. Then it's Magic Hour. I got the free version because I didn't want to buy it, and yeah, you get 5 free filters when you use the free version of it. Then is VS Code Camera, and yeah, that's me. Yay! Wait, oh, okay, that's cool. And yeah, it has really cool filter. I suggest the T1 filter because it's my favorite. Then it's Rona, and yeah, it has really cute like stickers, frames, and quotes. Then it's what's this called? Clone camera. You can make your own clone. I do that a lot in my room because I have no friends, so I make more me to play with. Then I think this app everyone knows. It's called Afterlight. It cost money, but I got it for free from help of a friend on Instagram. Her username is apps you don't know. And you can kick her and she'll give you a username and password to her App Store account, which you can download it for free. And yeah, it's one of my favorite apps because it has really cool light leaks and frames, and yeah. Then it's this app called Over. It's kind of like Rona designs, but different. But I like Over more a lot. So yeah, that's my editing app, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.